Pro tips on getting the best ROI while studying in Australia with flexi part-time job options. Students can look for part-time jobs on the internet. Some job listing options in this regard include Indeed, CareerOne, MyCareer, Seek, and Apply Direct. Students may also contact the university's caregiving department, alumni, or lecturers. With the help of the university community, it will be easy to find a job in anywhere in Australia. For international students, there are some internal jobs at the university where they are enrolled at, such as library assistant, barista, campus ambassador, fitness class instructor, social media assistant, and many more. Let's look at some of the high-paying part-time jobs for international students in Australia. Tutors work with young students who need help mastering specific subjects or sharpening a particular set of skills. Part-timing as a tutor is a great way to earn high wages while also juggling a full school schedule or another job. Tutors can earn up to $30 per hour. A part-time job as a rideshare driver is a great way to earn more money on your own schedule. Rideshare drivers set their own hours and can work as much or as little as they want, which makes this an excellent job for those who already have another job or who are also in school. Personal trainers work with clients to help them achieve their fitness goals, from losing weight to gaining muscle. A part-time job as a personal trainer is a good choice for those who are passionate about fitness and want to work flexible hours. As a bonus, personal trainers often work early in the morning and later in the evening, so there's plenty of time to go to school or do another job during the day. If you're looking for a part-time job with high pay, a job as a server is a great choice. Food service jobs are in high demand, and there are lots of openings for servers at restaurants of all kinds, from casual to fine dining. These jobs come with flexible schedules, and you can also earn a lot of money in tips, especially when you work in the evenings or on the weekends. A job as a part-time administrative assistant is a good fit for those who are highly organized, have impressive people skills, and want to play a key role in keeping businesses running smoothly. Whether you work as an administrative assistant at a doctor's office or a major corporation, there are lots of opportunities to earn a high wage and still enjoy a flexible schedule.